How to create a Facebook page on iPhone. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Now look at the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. Here, under the profile name, you will see a few shortcuts, then look for the Pages shortcut. Now tap on it. Next, at the top, click on Create. Now to create the page, look at the bottom and tap on Get Started. Now fill in the details like page name and the page relevant to which category. And then tap on Create, and now the page is created. Next, set page goals and click on Continue. Here you can customize the page by adding the profile photo and cover photo, then click on Next. Now you can invite your friends to join the page by selecting their usernames and tapping Next. A pop-up will appear. Click Invite to confirm. Here you will find details about the page notifications when you switch to the main profile, and then click Done to proceed. The business page is created with all the given details, and that's it.